What is the antibiotic crisis and why should you care? The antibiotic resistance crisis refers to the overuse and misuse of antibiotics, and also the lack of new drug development by the pharmaceutical industries from lack of financial incentives. Bacteria that infect us are becoming resistant to these antibiotics, making it even harder to treat people with bacterial infections. Essentially, we're running out of antibiotics, or so we think. So where does the problem originate? The most prominent way is through the agricultural industry. Over 80% of antibiotics are used in agriculture in the United States. But why are antibiotics used in agriculture? One reason is to increase the rate of animal growth. And two, because these animals can be found in such unsanitary conditions, illness is inevitable. So farmers inject these animals with antibiotics to stop infections before they even start. This is a huge problem. The overuse of antibiotics from agricultural industries introduces resistant strains into our bodies in a couple of ways. First is by the food that we eat. Second, animal feces are in direct contact with crops. And third, animal feces containing water sources via runoff. Now, you can have a resistant strain in your body and not even know it. Does the spread of this resistant strain stop here? Nope. Let's say you get sick now and need to go to the hospital or an urgent care clinic. Your interactions with the people in this setting is enough to cause the spread of the resistant strain you carry to those in the healthcare setting. Think about all the people you come in contact with on a day-to-day basis. These people are all now potential candidates for acquiring this resistance, and the vicious cycle continues over and over again. We need to stop the problem where it starts. Antibiotic use in agricultural industries need to be controlled and regulated by the government more than ever. This starts with you. Spread the word about antibiotic crisis to your community. The more informed our public is, the better chances we have at finding a solution. Thanks for watching. For more info, visit smallworldinitiative.org.